Highlands Ranch Colorado Hardwood Flooring. Welcome to Highlands Ranch Colorado Hardwood Flooring. This picturesque community has a lot to offer its residents, including beautiful hardwood floors. Hardwood floors can make a home feel warm and inviting, but they also require regular maintenance to keep them looking their best. That's why it's important to get your hardwood floors installed, repaired, refinished, or restored with dustless sanding and with no hassle. We offer hardwood floor dustless sanding containment system that eliminates nearly all of the dust particles from the refinishing process, making your home cleaner and healthier. With dustless sanding, the entire process is fast and efficient. Plus, you don't have to worry about the regular mess that comes with traditional sanding. At Highlands Ranch Hardwood Flooring, our team of expert technicians are here to help you get the most out of your hardwood floors. We've been serving the Highlands Ranch community since 2002, providing quality hardwood floors, laminate, and luxury vinyl plank at affordable prices. We pride ourselves on installing floors that you can be confident in, using the best materials and techniques. Our flooring experts will help you choose the right floor for your home based on your budget, style, and needs. With our services, you can rest assured that your hardwood floors will look great for years to come. We offer free design consulting to help you visualize your dream floor. So if you're looking to install, repair, refinish, or restore your hardwood floors, contact Highlands Ranch Hardwood Flooring today. Get ready to transform your space with the best flooring service in town. Whether you need new floors, repairs, or refinishing, we have you covered. Call us at the number on our website or visit the link below to schedule your free estimate and consultation.